How many 4-digit numbers have all three of these properties? First, the tens digit and the ones digit are both 9. Second, the number is 1 less than a perfect square. And third, the number is a semi-prime, meaning it is the product of exactly two primes. The choices are 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Start with property 1. The number ends in 99. Now use property 2. The number is 1 less than a perfect square, so it equals k squared minus 1. Which factors as k minus 1 times k plus 1? For k squared minus 1 to end in 99, k squared must end in 0, 0. That happens only when k is a multiple of 10. So write k as 10 meters. Then the number is 100 meters squared minus 1. Which factors as 10 meters minus 1 times 10 meters plus 1? We need a 4-digit number. So 100 meters squared minus 1 is between 1000 and 9999. That means m squared is between about 11 and 100. So m runs from 4 up to 10. That gives 7 candidates. Now property 3. The number is already a product of two factors, 10 meters minus 1 and 10 meters plus 1. For it to be a semi-prime, both of those factors must themselves be prime. Let's check each m. Only m equals 6 works, 59 times 61, both prime, giving 3599. So there is exactly one such number.